say print list 2. So here you can see after shuffle, when we print the list 2, we can see that it is been shuffled into a random order here. This is what the method shuffle does. So next we're going to look into the method sample. So sample returns a given sample sequences. So let us have our list 3. Let's say it's 34 comma 68 comma 35 comma 71 comma 28 comma 47, etc. This is our list. So what we're going to do is print random dot sample, and we're going to say we want a sample of 3 items from this list. Let's say if you want a sample from 3 items from this list, and it's going to give us random 3 samples from the given list. So each time you print it, the random samples will change. Now let us go to our next method, which is the Gauss method, which returns a float number which is random based on the Gaussian distribution, which is used in probability theories. So first you have to determine the values of the parameters. So our parameter is going to be mu is equal to 20, then sigma equal to 4. So now using the Gauss method, let's say print random dot Gauss, let's say mu comma sigma. So it's going to give you the random float number with using the Gaussian distribution, and you see here we got the value of 15.3737321. Now the next method we are going to use is choices. So what it does is returns a list of random selection from the given sequence. So let us say our list 4 is price item value and demand. So this is going to be a set of items in the given list, and next we're gonna random dot choices, let's say list 4 comma weights equal to 10 comma 1 comma, and we're gonna repeat it up to I think 3 times. So k is nothing but the repetition of the given so let us remove one item from this list, and now let's check. So what it does is it takes you one item from the given list and it prints it out 3 times here. So now let us look into our 12th method in random module, which is beta variate. So it returns a random float number between 0 and 1 based on the beta distribution, which is basically mostly used in statistics. And first you have to determine the values of the parameters, which is alpha and beta in this case. So let's say our alpha is 4 and beta is 6. So now by using the beta variate method, sprint random dot beta variate alpha comma beta. So here you can see now by using the beta variate method we can find out the value random beta variate where alpha comma beta, which gives you a random number 0.22580. So this is about beta variate. Next we're going to look into two methods which is 13, which is get state so it returns the current internal state of the random number generator. Then we have set state, which restores the internal state of the random number generator. So first let's take our list 5 and the value is 23 comma 46 comma 75 comma 86 comma 39. So these are the items which are present in the list, and first we have to get the state. So state equal to random dot get state, and we're gonna print random dot, we're gonna use the choice method here, which gives us a choice of any item from the given list. So it could be any item from the given list, and we're gonna print this. So it gives us the item 39. And what you're gonna do is we're gonna set this given um, value which we got. So we're gonna set the state and So random dot set state, and now when we try to print the choice again, choice of list 5, it should give us a random number. So but it yet gives us the same number which was given earlier. So when we set it the state, when we get state, we got the state of that given number, and we set it that state to that particular number, and we retrieved it back again. So that is what uh, set state and get state does. So here when we try to print set state and we try to go back to the similar method which we used to print the random choice, here what we saw is that we retrieved back the same random number which was generated earlier when we use the random dot choice, and that state of that number was stored, and when we tried that again we got the same number back. So that is what get state and set state does. So the next method we are going to go is Expo Variate. So what it does is it returns back a random float number based on the exponential distribution, which is basically used in statistics. So first we have to define the parameters, define the value of, we have only one parameter here, so define the value of the parameter, and let's say lam d equal to 2.5, and using the expo variate method, print random dot expo variate, and let us give in lam d here. So here it gives a random number which was associated with the lambda 2.5 using the exponential distribution. We got the random number 0.385992.